In this tutorial, we will teach you how to apply fonts, background colors, and borders in Excel. Before applying fonts and background colors, take a look at the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. You will see 3 view buttons. If you click on the middle one, a page layout view will be selected. This will allow you to view how the sheet will look when printed. First of all, make the company name appear at the center of the sheet. You can do so by selecting the cells that you want to merge and then click on the Merge and Center button at the top under the Home tab. Click on the Text Color button from the font group in order to change the color of the text. You can also make the text bold or italic as per your requirements. The main heading of the sheet is Expenses. In this video, we merged the cells to make Expenses appear in the center and changed its background color by clicking on the Background Color button from the font group. To add borders to cells, click on the Border button and choose a border that you would like to apply. Click on the drop-down menu of the borders and select the More Borders option. Here you can add a variety of borders. You can also change the color of the borders. In order to apply borders to all the cells collectively, highlight the specific cells, go to the Border button, and select All Borders option from the drop-down menu.